Seema Modi's here now. Any progress?
Not yet, Shep. Just 15 days to go till the first cruise sets sail in Florida, and cruise lines still do not know if they can mandate the vaccine without facing a big fine from the state of Florida. We're talking $5,000 per passenger. Now, in Tampa, a courtroom today, lawyers representing Florida taking issue with the CDC's vaccination requirements, saying it violates the state's vaccine passport ban. Attorneys arguing that health officials are, quote, coercing the cruise operators into asking passengers for their vaccination status. I was told by two sources that there was a heated exchange between the judge and the lawyers repping the CDC around the technical requirements cruise lines must meet before welcoming passengers on board. A ruling from the judge now expected very soon. In less than 2 weeks, a couple ships will set sail from Florida, starting with Royal Caribbean Celebrity Edge on Saturday, June 26, where passengers will be required to be vaccinated. The Disney Dream on the 29th. Carnival has yet to set a date for a Florida sailing, the world's largest cruise line treading water, waiting for a decision from the judge that could ultimately decide how many more sailings from Florida are added to the schedule. Carnival's first U.S. sailing will be in Galveston, Texas on July 3rd. Norwegian's first sailing will be from Seattle in August, Shep.
You know, we just got word of 2 passengers testing positive in the Caribbean. What do you know?
Such an unfortunate development. This was the first North American sailing, Royal Celebrity Millennium. 2 passengers were testing positive. They're isolating, and the cruise line is currently conducting contact tracing, Shep.
All right, Seema Modi, thanks very much. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.